Take a look at G-Sense Fucoidan Immune Booster. Fucoidans are a rich source of bioactive properties, and G-Sense Fucoidan is the most widely tested and researched antioxidant in the world, shown to reduce free radicals in your body while maintaining and supporting healthy immune system function to fight illness and help to stimulate a healthy immune system response. Sourced from the pristine waters of Patagonia, our wild-harvested organic Undaria pinnatifida algae undergo a zero-carbon and solvent-free extraction process, producing a highly concentrated source of Fucoidan and other naturally occurring beneficial nutrients. Experts suggest that regular intake of edible seaweeds is one of the factors that contributes to exceptionally long, healthy lives. Discover the benefits of Fucoidan Immune Booster for yourself. Make the switch to Fucoidan Immune Booster by G-Sense today and enjoy the change.